Deputy Superintendent of Police Beresford William is reporting calm in the Steertown community. The area is considered a crime hotspot in St. Anne. The community has been on the police watch list in recent times with several targeted peace initiatives as well as police patrols and operations. Some people say the area now has a reputation as a heaven for criminals, and even a mobile police unit was stationed there at one point. But now DSP William says residents in the community are enjoying some level of peace.
Shootings. Initially, in the first part of the year, we had some shootings, but that was criminal and police confrontation. Since then, we have like no crimes committed in any of these years. Now I'm thanking Councillor Bill, especially for the work she is doing in conjunction with the police team in Steertown, because that was a major headache for us.
Meanwhile, the police in Portland and St. Mary have been recognized for their work in fighting crime in the parishes, which recorded the lowest murder figures in the island. 18 police officers were awarded at a special church service in St. Mary on Saturday. TVJ's Jamaica Mitchell reports.
The Dover Seventh-day Adventist Church in St. Mary was the venue, as 11 police officers from St. Mary and 7 from Portland were recognized for crime-fighting efforts in the two parishes. The lowest number of murders overall in the country. Portland ended 2017 with 9 recorded murders. St. Mary ended with 21. Head of the Portland Police, Superintendent Dwayne Wellington, deemed it a big accomplishment for his division.
And therefore, we will not sit idle by and behave as if we are not number one. We are number one. But we're going to maintain that. And in maintaining that, it also borders on St. Mary, because St. Mary right here is we are right here. You are our neighbor, and as neighbor, we have to treat our neighbor as how we treat ourselves.
Pastor Dane Fletcher noted the challenge police continue to face in getting information needed to solve crimes.
Crime and violence affect the good-looking, the not-so-good-looking. Crime and violence affect Roman Catholics, Seventh-day Adventists, Baptists, Anglicans. Crime and violence affects male, female. It affects members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Crime and violence is non-discriminatory in Jamaica. It therefore means that today may not be your day to be affected, but it doesn't mean that tomorrow is not coming.
I've partnered with you as a church, of which I am a member. By now you must have realized that. And also to continue to be good citizens and upright police officers in Jamaica land we love.
Jamaica Mitchell, TVJ News.